Look. Get in. Hi guys, it's JB from Coptrz, Commercial Drone Experts. Today I'm going to do a unboxing of the brand new Mavic Mini. So we got it the other day, so I just wanted to show you all exactly what comes inside the box. So let's get started. Safety knife as always. So as you can see, it's quite a nice small compact box, very similar to what you get with the Mavic 2 Pro. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up. Now. Let's have a look. So nice, simple design. So you can really see how small the actual drone is from there, and how the controller is different as well. But let's get out. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got the drone here. Very similar setup as the Mavic, and it really does feel light. Now I've got it in my hand. The props feel a little bit different, obviously a hell of a lot smaller as well. It's got a different guard on it, and it actually says there as well, the ultralight 249 grams. So it's got quite a nice texture to it as well. But yeah, it really does feel light, so they've nailed that on the head. So they've got the battery just in the back there. So let's have a play with this. Okay, so there's a really cool little button on this. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it's just under there. So when you're taking it out of the back of the actual drone itself, you just press that and it slides out. So just in, little press, and out it comes. And as soon as I take the battery out, it really is just a shell with some motors on. It feels so light. Obviously the camera, let's see if we get this off. So with the camera, it's you've got 12 megapixel and also a 2.7K recording. So it's very similar to the old Mavic Pro. So the camera is a really good quality still for the size of it. It's obviously very powerful. The battery is all of the weight, it seems. Now moving on to the controller. Again, it's a nice weight, nice size, very similar. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so these just click straight out. Very similar. Let's have a look. Okay, cool. So again, exactly the same layout for the drone controller. Fits straight out. Let's see how easy it is to put it in my phone. Got that. Okay, great. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. So that fits really nicely there. Obviously, you've got let's have a look. You've got quite a lot going on there. It's nice and easy, really nice, simple setup. So you've got the return to home badge. As you can see, you've got your recording buttons on the top there. What else we got? Obviously, snapshot. This little roller here is for zoom. So after using it the other day, it's super simple, and you've got the rotation of the camera there, and the power for the double press, and you've got your little little toggles just in here, and they just screw in. They're actually plastic, so again they're really light, a lot different to the others that are metal. So again, they just click in just under there. So let's compare sizes of the two drones. So you can see we've got the Mavic 2, the Mavic Pro here, which is got that for, so we can see exactly the same camera quality, and then obviously the new Mavic Mini. So look at the size difference. It really is quite a difference. And picking them up, the weight, the amount of power that this little guy has is pretty fantastic. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. Okay, then in here you've got your charging wires, and also to connect it to the remote. So it obviously just pops in there on the side. That's what we got in here. We've got these spare propellers and another wire actually as well. But yeah, so that looks like everything that comes with the brand new Mavic Mini. If you have any more questions, guys, do get in touch. Ask away by email or by phone. But yeah, the brand new Mavic Mini. Sweet.